Class 5 and 6, Chapter 2, Latitudes and Longitudes. In this video, we will learn about lines of longitudes. Lines of longitudes. Longitudes are the imaginary semicircular lines running from North Pole to South Pole. These are also called meridians of longitude. So, longitudes, as you can see in the picture, these are imaginary semicircular lines. These are not circular lines, these are semicircular lines which run from North Pole to South Pole. These are also called meridians of longitude. Prime meridian. Unlike equator, which is the longest latitude, all longitudes are of equal length. So, any longitude could have been taken as reference point. See, equator, as we know, that it is the longest line of latitude. Therefore, it is taken as reference point or 0 degree latitude. But all the lines of longitude are of equal length and any line of longitude could have been taken as the reference point or as 0 degree meridian. It was finally decided by an international agreement to choose the longitude passing through the British Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London as 0 degree meridian. So, an international meeting took place, and in that meeting an agreement was reached and it was decided to choose the longitude passing through British Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London as the 0 degree meridian. So, according to that agreement, the meridian which passes through British Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London, it was chosen as the reference point or 0 degree meridian. It was called prime meridian. Now, important facts about the lines of longitudes. Prime meridian is 0 degree meridian. It divides the earth into two equal halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. See, prime meridian, which is the reference point, which is 0 degree meridian or 0 degree longitude, it divides the earth into two equal parts or halves. The part of the earth in the east of prime meridian forms the eastern hemisphere, and the part of the earth towards the west of prime meridian forms the western hemisphere. Meridians are drawn at intervals of 1 degree. See, 1 degree west, 2 degree west, 3 degree west, like this, and 1 degree east, 2 degree east, 3 degree east, like this. So, these longitudes are drawn at an interval of 1 degree. There are 180 meridians in the east and 180 meridians in the west. So, in all there are 360 meridians or longitudes, 180 meridians in the east and 180 meridians in the west. 180 degree east and west meridian is the same and is known as international dateline. See, 180 degree east meridian and 180 degree west meridian, these are the same. There is only one line which is 180 degree east and west meridian. It lies opposite to the prime meridian. It is also known as international dateline. because day and date change when one crosses this international date line either from east to west or from west to east. Now, features of longitudes. All longitudes are of equal length. All longitudes form 90-degree angle with the equator. So, these longitudes are perpendicular to the equator, or they form 90-degree angle with the equator. The distance between the two latitudes is maximum near the equator, that is 111.3 kilometers, and it keeps on decreasing as we go towards the poles. 0 kilometer at both poles. See, these lines of longitude are at maximum distance on the equator, and the distance between them is 111.3 kilometers. But as we move from the equator towards the poles, the distance between these longitudes goes on decreasing and it becomes 0 kilometer at the poles, or in other words, the lines of longitudes meet at poles. Locating places on a globe. Latitudes and longitudes form a network of lines on a globe called the grid. See, you can see that there are two sets of lines on the globe. The vertical lines, which are the longitudes, and the horizontal lines, which are the latitudes. So, these lines of latitudes and longitudes, they form a network on the globe, which is called grid. We can locate any place on the Earth's surface with the help of grid. To locate any place on the globe, we should know the value of latitude and longitude of a place. See, here you can see the picture of grid system. See, here you can see yellow lines which run horizontally in the east-west direction. These are the lines of latitudes, and the red colored lines which run vertically in the north-south direction, these are the lines of longitudes. And see, these lines of latitudes and longitude, they meet at various points and they form a network of lines, and this network is called grid. This grid helps us to locate places on a globe. Suppose I say that a place is located at 30-degree north latitude. That means that place could be anywhere on this whole circle made by 30-degree north latitude. Okay? Anywhere. So how will you know the exact position? But along with the latitude, if we also know its longitude, then we can find the exact position of a or location of a place. Suppose, as I said, the place is located at 30-degree north latitude and 90-degree west longitude. So, see, this line is, orange colored line is 90-degree west longitude, and the red colored line is 30-degree north latitude, and the black spot where these two lines meet is the exact location of a place which has a latitudinal value of 30-degree north and longitudinal value of 90-degree west.